today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Pinterest board and get your creative ideas organized in no time. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest pro or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Pinterest's website. Make sure you're logged into your account, and if you're not, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're in, the experience becomes seamless and intuitive. Next, you'll need to navigate to your profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or icon, usually found at the top of the screen. This is your personal hub on Pinterest, where all your activity and creations live. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your profile layout if you haven't already. This will help make navigating much more fluid. After you're on your profile, look for the Boards section. It's a dedicated area where all your past and present boards are displayed. Finding this section is crucial because it's the home base for all your saved content and ideas. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. When you click Boards, you'll see an option to Create. Clicking this will start the exciting process of creating a new board. Think of boards as virtual corkboards, pinning any digital content that sparks your interest or creativity. They're incredibly versatile. Use them for planning events, collecting recipes, gathering travel ideas, or compiling home decor inspiration. Once you hit Create, a prompt will appear asking you to name your board. Choose a name that reflects the content or theme you plan to save there. This name will help you, and perhaps even your followers, quickly identify what the board is about. With your board named, you'll be given the option to add a description. This step is optional, but adding a description can enhance the board's focus and utility. Use this space to give more context about what can be found within or how you anticipate using the board. Before you finish, consider whether you'd like this board to be public or private. A public board can be seen by others, potentially gaining followers who share your interests. A private board is for your eyes only, giving you a little more privacy if needed. Choose whichever option aligns best with your goals. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully created a new Pinterest board. Congratulations on taking this small yet meaningful step to organize your inspirations and ideas. Whether your board becomes a cornerstone of your creative pursuits or simply a fun pastime, you've earned it. Thank you for watching and happy pinning. By following these steps, you can keep all your ideas orderly and at the ready for whenever inspiration hits.